welcome to Friday's Celebration Assembly. It has been another one of those weeks where it's been a little bit different, but I am so proud of all of you who have worked so very hard and have continued with your learning despite the challenges that we had this week. Now, I'm going to cut straight to the chase. It's time for us to hear who our award winners are this week. And we're going to start first with our Going for Gold winners. Ready? Okay, here we go. First, in Lee's class, we have Esme, Maz, Declan, Vanessa, Caden, Annalise, Kobe, Harper P., Ella, Flynn, Holly, Vatek, and Aria who are engaging in tapestry and or the Zoom sessions this week. Well done, children. That's a lot of names. Fantastic. In York class, we have Archie for great enthusiasm when completing the floating and sinking activity. We also have Henry for making a family of his own out of carrots after listening to the Stick Man story. In Hall, we have Susanna K for reading words and read-write ink at a quick pace. And Emily for a super picture of Duncan with added details. In Nottingham class, we have Caleb for his fantastic behavior and teaching Kevin the Carrot how to behave in Nottingham class. We also have Roscoe for amazing attitude towards his transport book and making sure his sentences make sense. In Liverpool class, we have Freya for fantastic letter writing and Rebecca for always giving 100% in lessons. In Cardiff class, we have Scylla for pushing herself in maths lessons when learning about fractions. We also have Jacob for throwing himself back into his lessons and learning since returning to school. In Edinburgh 1, we have Noah and Jessica for going over and above with their sea creatures models. Absolutely amazing work. In Edinburgh 2, we have Addison for creative ideas in writing. He wrote a really great interview with a whale. We also have Riley for working so hard this week during remote learning. He has really tried hard and not given up. In Cambridge class, we have Connor for always giving 100% effort even if work is challenging. And Percy for fantastic newspaper report. In Oxford class, we have all of Year 6 for excellent enthusiasm and effort in the play. And in Chester class, we have Alex for trying really hard with his assessments this week. And in Lincoln class, we have Leah for completing all her tasks and trying her best. Well done, children. I'm really proud of all of you, as are your teachers. I'm sure your parents will be as well. Excellent. Now it's time for the Year of Being Brave Awards. Are you ready? Here we go. In York class, it's all of York class for adapting so well to online learning this week. And it has been great to see so many smiling faces each morning in teams. In Hall class, it's Emily, Evie, and Michelle for working together on a maths challenge and persevering to get it right. In Nottingham class, we have Daisy for disciplined bravery when writing sentences about modes of transport, and Oakley for intellectual bravery when writing numbers. In Liverpool class, we have Daisy for being aware and understanding all of her needs. We also have Oliver for talking and being open with adults. In Cardiff class, we have all of Cardiff class who took part in Sports Day. They tested their resilience and determination and kept trying their best. In Edinburgh 1, it's all of Edinburgh 1 who completed a sea creature model at home. They are phenomenal. Such a great imagination and design from everyone. In Edinburgh 2, we have all of Edinburgh 2. Miss Lofthouse is really proud of how the children have all coped well with the change to home learning this week. They have been very resilient and positive. In Cambridge class, we have Cooper for disciplined bravery for returning to school after isolation with a smile and determined to be successful. We also have George for intellectual bravery for working hard during lessons. In Oxford class, we have Christians and Benjamin for excellent singing and acting in the play. In Lincoln class, we have Isaac for sharing and being a good friend. And in Chester class, we have Riley for disciplined bravery for making good choices. Again, so very proud of all of our children and how hard they've been working and how brave they have been this week. Well done. Give them a round of applause. Excellent. Well, children, we have one more week of school. It's supposed to be a nice sunny weekend. Make sure lots of sunscreen. You don't want to get a sunburn. Hope that you have a good one, and I'll see you next week. Bye.